At FleetPride, we're committed to providing a seamless and exceptional customer experience. And at the heart of that mission is our Customer Experience Center, or CEC. The Customer Experience Center is a dedicated team focused on supporting our strategic accounts, both directly and indirectly. These are the customers who rely on us for more complex needs, whether it's for their direct inquiries or for helping field teams with specific account-related requests. Working closely with the field, our goal is to ensure that every customer interaction is smooth, efficient, and exceeds expectations. But how exactly do we support these accounts? It starts with our implementation manager. This role ensures that new and existing customers experience a smooth onboarding process. From day one, they guide customers through every step, making sure the transition to full implementation is seamless, with ongoing support to ensure long-term success.
My name is Cheryl, and I'm an implementation manager on the CEC team. My role focuses on partnering with the strategic account managers to ensure a successful onboarding experience for our customers into the FleetPride family. We handle all aspects of the implementation process, which includes ensuring that all customer locations are properly set up in our system, establishing custom pricing schedules, training our field staff on customer standard operating procedures, and everything in between. The success of an implementation manager is defined by how smoothly and seamlessly we can guide our most important clients through the onboarding process.
Next, we have our sales support manager. They maintain continuous, proactive support, offering solutions to any issues that arise and ensuring that relationships with customers remain strong and lasting. They are the key point of contact, ensuring that our customers are always well supported.
My name is Mason and I'm a sales support manager. As a sales support manager, our goal is to deliver exceptional customer experiences and ensure the ongoing success of our customers. We collaborate across teams to implement tailored solutions, address issues swiftly, and manage key processes such as price updates and supplier scorecards. With a focus on customer satisfaction, we also coordinate NPS surveys and provide crucial support for ad hoc requests, all aimed at fostering long-term growth and success for our valued customers.
And of course, there's our account representative. These dedicated professionals are at the forefront, ensuring that order processing is swift, troubleshooting is effective, and customer support is always responsive. They deliver a white glove experience to our strategic accounts, ensuring every detail is handled with care.
I'm Ashley, an account representative on the CEC team. My goal is to deliver an exceptional customer service experience for our customers, from accurately managing orders and resolving pricing or parts issues, to coordinating with branches to ensure a seamless process. We're also here to handle customer inquiries swiftly and effectively. With a strong commitment to customer satisfaction, our goal is continual communication, escalate issues when necessary, and manage key reports to support ongoing excellence.
At the CEC, our mission is to provide our customers with outstanding service and support and make doing business with FleetPride easy. Whether you need support via phone or email, we're here to support you. From start to finish, our teams are focused on serving your needs with the care, professionalism, and sense of urgency that you've come to expect.
At FleetPride, your experience matters, and the Customer Experience Center is here to make sure you have all the support you need every step of the way.